back to my channel. What's up? So today, as you can see from the title, I'm gonna be doing a updated skincare routine for you guys. If you hear that sound in the background, it's a bird chirping, literally, like it's right up there. I can see it, but yeah. So this is always a highly requested video. As you can see, I'm wearing makeup currently, so I'm just going to take you through what I do to remove it, the products I use, stuff like that, and additional stuff that I use all over, like not just for my face but for my entire body where skin is concerned. As you can see, I went ahead and I kind of tied a scarf around the edges of my hair so I don't get that wet or anything. So the first thing I want to focus on is the eyes. I don't have much going on, but I like to remove whatever is there, whether, like right now I have on mascara and just a tad bit of shadow, and so I want to make sure that that area I remove it really well. So what I'm gonna do is take this cotton pad. I'm going to spray a little bit of my Skin & Co Roma Magnificent Body Oil. This is the lavender extract. I like to actually remove the bulk of my makeup with oil before going in and really just cleansing my skin. I'm gonna take a wet wipe and I will saturate it with some of the same oil to remove the rest of the makeup.
Don't go so far to say you can do better. Baby, so far no good. Looks like you're fed up. Every time you walk away.
You know, I'm incorporating and trying out new stuff. I've been using the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Wash and Scrub. I've been using my Vanity Planet brush for a long time. My Vanity Planet Skin Spa, but guys, literally, this is so worn now. Like, I'm pretty sure you guys probably wonder if, you know, if this is something that is always used or if I even remember to use it. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I'm so thankful. I got a brand new set, and this is from Vanity Planet as well. This is the Glow Spin Gentle Cleansing and Exfoliating Face Brush. Okay, you know, like how the Vanity Planet Skin Spa had like 3 settings for in terms of the speed, this has only 2, so it's way more simplified. It is 3 specially designed brush head attachments, you know, just like the previous one, but I really like that they minimized it to 2 speed, you know, and it comes with a very convenient storage case, which I love. It's perfect for traveling. My skin is looking really good now, but the other day, I'm pretty sure you guys are going to say you've never seen my skin in a bad state, but I know my skin, and the other day I experienced a little bit of, you know what we used to say, like breakout. It wasn't anything too drastic, but I did notice that, and using some of these products really helped me out. Today I'm gonna go in and use my cleansing brush, okay, because I just really want to get my skin really clean, and the purpose of this is just really cleansing the skin. It has really soft bristles, and you know, this one can be used daily, okay, so this is more gentle on the skin, so it's made for daily use. Then you have the exfoliating brush, which you can use more like 2 to 3 times a week. This is way more abrasive. This one is designed to lift away debris and dead skin cells from your face. Okay, so you don't want to use this every day at all. You have the silicone brush that is great for dry and sensitive skin, and the bristles are soft and hypoallergenic and non-abrasive, so you can cleanse thoroughly while keeping your skin safe. Okay, I'm gonna use both together.
Call me when you want more, when you want more. When me set me up, you don't have to yet. It's me and beg your baby.
What I'm gonna follow up with is the toning section. I have them for a while, and you can see that I've been using this. Okay, this is the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Problem Skin Toner. Now, I don't have much of a problem skin, but as I said, at that time I felt like, you know, my skin wasn't where it usually was, and so I was really trying to take better care of it. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna take a cotton and saturate it with it and just go all over my face. Now, for moisturizer, I don't always do this step, but if on a day when, you know, using the African Black Soap stuff can sometimes dry out your skin, so it's good to follow up with a moisturizer, especially if you only used something like just the black soap. It's really important that you follow up with a moisturizer. So I did get the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Problem Skin Moisturizer. Now, at that time, yes, I would use this that much, but because my skin is, I'm comfortable with where my skin is at now, I'm going to use the Shea Moisture Dragon's Blood and Coffee Cherry Instant Rebound moisturizer. This smells really nice and just gentle, so I'm just gonna moisturize. I'm just gonna take that bit. I kind of even took too much because I don't even like to saturate my face with too much moisturizer, but I got a little carried away, but it's okay. I feel like this update was very important because a lot of these stuff that I'm doing, you've never seen me do before in any of my skincare routine videos. Because I don't usually pay my skin much mind. Trust me guys, after taking all these steps, my skin feels so clean, smooth, and I just feel fresh. So that's pretty much what I've been doing for my face for the most part since recently. If you guys are interested in the Glow Spin brush set that I showed you just now, go ahead and use my code. It's right here on the screen. The direct link that will take you to the product is the first thing you'll see in my description box. This set is originally for $149, but when you go ahead and use my code LuLu, you get it for only $50. So I feel like that's a pretty cool deal. All right, so just to finish off this video, I know you guys are pretty much interested in what I do like for my all over body skin routine. The other steps that I usually take now for moisturizer, like before I even touch into moisturizer, number one thing I can never ever forget, you need to be drinking a lot of water. Okay, now I try to drink at least half of this bottle daily. Now, in my previous skincare routine, I remember I told you guys that I was drinking a gallon, which I absolutely was, but God no, it's so hard sometimes, especially since I go to the gym like 5 times a week, and now I'm not on a super strict diet, but I'm eating way healthier than before, and I'm taking supplements, so I need to make sure that I'm flushing that out of my system. So water is very important. Also, apart from water, I showed you guys, sometimes I even shower with the black soap, so yeah, really love that. And for moisturizers, which is the final portion that I'm going to touch on for this video, good old Purlene cocoa butter cream. Yes guys, this is the OG. And another product that I've been loving and I'm almost out, okay, is my LuLu's holistic body conscious butter. Now for other people that follow me on Snapchat, you've seen that some time ago I did like a Snapchat get ready with me, and I did show you guys that I moisturize with this, especially if I want like super glowy skin. This is bomb for that. Look, I'm almost out. Love it. Love it. Even like if I have a beach day, this is amazing. Over like a oil, this is just an all-in-one. And yes, I still do have my Bum Bum Creme. I know some of you guys probably wondering. Yes, I use it from time to time. I don't use it like daily like how I used to, because I have so many other things trying to try out and stuff like that, but still a OG. So yeah, just so you know. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for what I've been doing for my skin since recent times. As you can see, I definitely have been taking it more seriously than I usually do. I'm really happy that I incorporated these products, and if you guys decide to go ahead and try them out, let me know how they work for you. All the Shea Moisture stuff that I have there from the actual site. I didn't purchase them at a store here in Jamaica or anything. They are from the actual Shea Moisture. Or the black soap that can be purchased here in Jamaica at Earth Elements at Half a Tree, all right, and it's over by Savannah Plaza. For the LuLu's holistic body conscious butter, I got that off LuLu's website. I got it from the actual website as well. The good old Purlene cocoa butter, I got that at, I think, the supermarket. That can be found like almost anywhere, I feel like. Go ahead, check them out, and yeah, that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you out. If it did, go ahead and give this video a thumb up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. All right.